Hi everyone, welcome back to the next chapter of our FreeCodeCamp's responsive web design series. Previously, we learned how to build a cat photo app with the help of HTML. Now we're going to learn the basics of CSS in our brand new second chapter, that is, learn basic CSS by building a cafe menu. In this chapter, we will see how CSS tells the browser how to display our web page, how we can use CSS to set the color, font, size, and other aspects of HTML elements. In this video, we will cover the first 10 steps of this chapter. So let's begin, shall we? So this is how our cafe menu gonna look like. So our cafe name gonna be Camper Cafe? What an interesting name. We opened our cafe in the year 2020. Bro, I am a pretty young businesswoman. We got 5 types of coffee and 4 types of desserts, all with reasonable price, I guess. Down here is our website link and cafe address, 123 FreeCodeCamp Drive. Sounds like a coastal region of charity developers. But we do serve you coffee and desserts for a cheap price. So do visit if you could find us. Well, anyway, let's start coding. Here's the very first step of our cafe menu webpage. You remember the last few steps of Cat Photo app? We gotta perform this basic mandatory ritual of adding a doc-type declaration to tell the browser which version of HTML our document is in and adding a root HTML element. Also gotta tell the browser that our document is in English language. A simple and smart copy-paste will do the job here. Woohoo! We are already acing that, aren't we? We need to add an head element with a title element within the head element, and our title gonna be Cafe Menu. Step 3. Now we gotta add meta element with an attribute charset with value set to UTF-8 to tell the browser how to encode characters for the page. Step 4. Now we need to add body element below the head element. That is where all our content gonna be. Step 5. Let's start by adding menu content to our web page. For that, we need to add main element within the existing body element. It's gonna contain pricing information about coffees and desserts offered by the cafe. Step 6. As you know, the name of our cafe is Camper Cafe. Let's adding it as heading on our menu with the help of H1 element. Make sure the name is in capitalized letters to make it stand out. Step 7. I don't know which government allowed me to open cafe during the COVID times, but I was bored and wanted to be alone in my own cafe during lockdown, so yeah, let me mention the year 2020 below with the P element. Step 8. There are 2 sections in the menu, one for coffees and one for desserts. Let's add coffee section first with the section element. Step 9. Let's add section heading as coffee with H2 element. Step 10. It's the time to start using CSS and make our web page colorful and beautiful. To do that, we need to add style element in the head section. Good job completing until here. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for further steps and chapters in upcoming videos. I'll catch you in the next one.